Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today we will talk about modern kitchen design ideas. Dear viewers, modern kitchens are more than just cooking spaces. They are the heart of the home, combining style, functionality and smart use of space. Whether you are building a new home or renovating your existing kitchen, incorporating modern design can transform your kitchen into a sleek, efficient, and stylish hub. First of all, open concept layout. Modern kitchen designs often features open layouts that connect the kitchen with the dining or living area. This creates a spacious, airy environment perfect for social interaction and family gatherings. It also enhances natural light flow and makes smaller spaces appear larger. On the second number, sleek cabinetry. Handle-less cabinets and drawers are a hallmark of modern design. Go for glossy or matte finishes in natural shades like white, gray or black. You can also add wooden texture or bold colors like navy blue or emerald green for contrast. Soft close mechanism and push to open systems improve functionality. On the third number, smart storage solutions. Modern kitchens focus on maximizing storage while maintaining a clean wall look. Use deep drawers, corner pull-outs, pantry units, and built-in organizers to avoid clutter. Wall-mounted cabinets of the ceiling offer extra storage without compromising space. Quartz, granite, or solid surface countertops in light shades with minimal veining are popular in modern kitchens. Waterfall countertops, where the material continues down the sides of the island, add a luxurious touch. A kitchen island serves as a multifunctional counterpiece. It can be used for cooking, dining, or even working. Add pendant lighting above it for both functional and style. If space is limited, a breakfast bar with the stools is a great alternative. Built-in appliances such as ovens, microwaves, and refrigerators blend seamlessly into the cabinetry. Choose energy efficient and smart appliances that can be controlled via smartphones or voice commands for a futuristic touch. Use a combination of task lighting, under cabinet lights, and decorative pendant lights. Proper lighting enhances visibility and highlights design elements. LED strips under cabinets or in drawers add a modern glow. Subway tiles, glass backsplashes, or large seamless slabs create a sleek backdrops. You can also choose pattern or texture tile for creative flair. Use durable, easy to clean materials like ceramic tiles, vinyl or engineered wood. Neutral or monochrome shades help maintain a cohesive look. Accent walls with wooden panels or modern textures can add warmth. Sustainability is a growing trend in modern design. Use recycled materials, water-saving faucets, LED lighting, and efficient appliances to create an eco-conscious kitchen. Modern kitchen design are all about blending beauty with practicality. By focusing on simplicity, clean lines, smart storage, and contemporary materials, you can create a kitchen that is both stylish and highly functional. Whether you prefer minimalist aesthetics or a touch of luxury, modern kitchens can be customized to suit any lifestyle. Modern kitchens often stick to a simple and elegant color palette. White, grey, and black are timeless, but adding accent colors like teal, mustard, or soft pink can create a personalized touch. Two-tone cabinets like white uppers with dark lower units add depth and sophistication. For homes with limited space, integrating dining with the kitchen layout is a smart option. Extend the kitchen island into a dining table, or create a cozy corner with built-in seating. It keeps everything accessible and makes the space more communal. Glass elements such as cabinet doors, shelves, or partition can make the kitchen feel more open. Glass backsplashes or decorative panels are also reflect light, brightening the space and adding a touch of modern elegance.